Russia.
So, Cynthia,
No, darling.
how far about the test?
Only believe.
What's that?
It was negative.
Wow.
I was so happy when I saw the result.
Wow.
I was so surprised because Omotade bend on favor him again. Nothing more. But thank God that he saved me.
I'm very happy for you.
I'm more happy. I'm more happy for myself.
Yeah. My name is So, how far about the doctor? Did you later show up?
Yes, so later. I know who is also.
That's great. So, now to just go to the missing, I don't think you need to write it anymore.
That's true, Sha. But I just want to keep it like this for a while, for now. You know, I cannot keep it like this forever.
So, it's not
Yeah,
possible.
so definitely one more. But I want to keep it like this for now.
Sure.
Definitely they will find out. Most especially, I want it to shock Tade. Because Jebi.
I'm in support of that.
Yes, my point is valid. I want it to be something of shame to him. He could do tea.
I'm in support of that.
Yes, that's what I want.
Like, seriously, you deserve it.
He really deserves it. He deserves more.
Alright. Yeah, I want to start going.
So soon?
We will need to consider side of sharing them.
Okay.
Alright, so. Very much so.
I trust you in that.
Sure.
Thank you. I guess you come tomorrow, right?
Sure.
Tomorrow. I'm going to fellow way. You too,
No wonder.
Tomorrow. Damn me! Stop!
Alright now. So, till tomorrow. Sure.
I know you come tomorrow, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Bye.
See you tomorrow.
Ìyàwó mi ní ṣùgbọ́n mo fẹ́ rán ṣùgbọ́n ẹ mọ́. Daniel! Táwọn kan lè kù lágbo mélòó báyìí lókùlókù. Dọ̀kì. Ọmọ àlè. Ìbọn ọmọ ya bá ṣe dáwọ́ ilé ẹ̀kúndé, àwọn àgbẹ̀ ẹ̀kúndé.
Doctor. Hi.
Àwọn àgbẹ̀ ó dáa, ó sì dáa fún ẹ̀. Yóò máa rí kí ló máa ń ṣe fún yẹn bọ̀. Ọwọ́ òní kan dáadáa kò, bàbá lóòkè.
Dọ́gí. Ẹ káàárọ̀ mà.
Báwo ni?
Gbogbo lè ń kọ́ máa. Ẹ jókòó mà.
Thank you.
Madam sọ pé àwọn ń bọ̀.
All right.
Kí ni kí n fi ṣe yín lálejò?
I'm okay for now.
Okay, ma.
Yeah.
Ó ṣe gan.
Doctor.
Madam,
Hey, Carol.
is this you?
Yes, it's me.
Yeah, I know you're surprised, right?
I'm actually really surprised.
Please sit down. Thank you.
You're welcome. See, who could see hold up Lona? Not at all. That's very good. Doctor, I want to say a very big thank you to you and thank you to God as well. The Fedupelo already done no. So I'm very, very, very grateful. Thank you very much.
Because we doctor, we only try our best.
That's true.
The final decision is in God's hand. So,
Thank you very, very much. You did a great job and I appreciate it.
Lest I forget, the guy that left the other time, who is it to you?
The guy that left?
Yes.
Oh, Danny.
Oh, maybe.
Danny is my friend. Danny. But doctor, at this point in time, I think he has exceeded the space of that friend. I think he's now more than a friend to me. The way I'm saying it. I think you should have understand where I'm heading to.
I actually understand you, madam. Understand.
Doctor, I have a problem.
What is it?
The problem is that this guy has been there for me. Since my hard times, my crying times, my pain, he has been there all through. And I don't really know how to appreciate this guy. And that baffles me a lot.
Actually, if I'm to say, I think you should do everything in your capability to appreciate him because you really tried. I can see the work from my own perspective.
Doctor, any point to me? Any points? Thank you very much. Any points?
You're very much welcome. You're
Yeah.
welcome.
Doctor, what
Yes.
about the second result?
Oh, yes. It's out.
Okay.
Result is out now.
Okay.
Uh, okay. Ah, madam, you are now medically very okay now.
Oh my god. Oh
Yes.
my god. Oh my god, I'm so happy right now.
I should go doctor once again.
I really appreciate you. Thank you very much.
Thank
I'll
you.
I'll just take my leave now.
So soon?
I have clients to attend to.
Ẹ ṣé gidi gan ni.
You're very
Ẹ ṣé o, tẹ́ bá ti délé màá pè yín.
Oh, you're very,
Yes, thank you very very much. Ẹ ṣé gidi gan.
you're very much welcome.
Thank you so much. Kẹ́mi! Ma! Madam,
Kẹ́mi.
ẹ̀yin lẹ dúró báyìí.
Èmi náà ni.
Ẹ̀yin lẹ dúró báyìí. Èmi la ò ní yọ̀ sí. Èmi la ò ní yọ̀ sí. Bá a ti fẹ́ kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀ náà lórí. Èmi la ò ní yọ̀ sí. Mo sọ fún yín lọ́jọ́ kìíní àná. Mo ní àdùn ló máa padà wá kẹ́yìn ewúro. Mo ní ọ̀rọ̀ yín ṣì máa padà wá já sókè. Olúwa ṣe o. Ọpẹ́ lára dúró.
Ọlọ́run bá mi lọ mú fóònù mi wá jáde. Ọlọ́run ọba ọ̀. Inú mi dùn. So I can still stand on my feet after all this way. God, I'm grateful.
Don't want no drama. They for my corner.
Daddy, I miss you so much. I miss you gan. Mommy. Ọlá. Ọlá àbúrò mi. I miss ẹ̀yin mẹ́tẹ̀ẹ̀ta gidi gan ni. Mo pé tá bá wà láyé. Bóyá tó jẹ mí ò ní jẹ mí. Daddy, I know you wouldn't let me suffer for a second. Daddy. Ní láti wà nígbà ìkéwò bí Tádé ṣe fìyà jẹ mí. Dádì, ọmọ Tádé òun tí ọmọ tó fi hàn ipò òun jẹ́ kẹ́ tó kúrò láyé. Ó jẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ kọ́kọ́ lọ náà kó tó fira ẹ̀ hàn. Tádé fìyà jẹ ọmọ yín. Daddy, he suffered me. He suffered me so much. Ikú. Ìṣèyí tán. Swear. You alone. Only God understands. I want you to know that I love you all so much. Daddy, Mommy, Tọ́lá, nífẹ̀ẹ́ yín gidi gan. Ó lè fi kẹ́ mọ̀ pé mo miss yín náà. And I want you to know that I will forever love you as my parent. Adimi, I know I wouldn't have let us travel that day. Abama travel or see vacation now. You guys would have been here with me. I regret that day so much. That day is a nightmare, Dad. But it is well. May your gentle soul rest in perfect peace. I would like to start from saying a very, very good thank you for everything
I've told you several times, go into that is what it's good.
I have to. It's not everyone that will be able to do what you do by me by that time. You spend your money, your time, and everything. You appreciate it now. So I'm very, very thankful. Definitely, I appreciate it.
I don't think I'm very much sure. So all I do let us go. Carry the phone on.
Thank you. So, I would want
So, don't embarrass me now.
please make me happiest woman. Like,
I think you deserve a special
what's it going to do?
Babe, lọ́rọ̀ ọ̀kan tí mo ti fẹ́ sọ fún ẹ.
What's that?
Iṣẹ́ nǹkan tó le náà kì í ṣe pé problem wà. Ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn ọmọọṣẹ́ mi yẹn náà mo fẹ́ sọ. Ìyá Kẹ́mi àti Gitman. Mo mọ̀ pé àwọn méjèèjì wọ́n really try fún mi nígbà tí mo wà ní situation yẹn. You know, right?
Yeah, that's true.
So the little I could do is just to like compensate them. So mo send 200k sí Kẹ́mi. At least the little times tí màá ti ẹ́ ti yọ mọ́ra has been the best person in my life. She has been very, very helpful. Pé níbi oúnjẹ la fẹ́ sọ ni àbí kó máa tì mí kiri, gbé mi lọ wẹ̀, gbé mi lọ toilet, all that. So she has really, really tried for me. Àti Gitman yẹn náà, mo send 100,000 sí yẹn. Yẹn náà ti try. Ìyẹn wá tẹ̀ wá yàtọ̀ sí Lambébí tiẹ̀. Ó ti kò yẹ kí n sọ̀rọ̀ jù lọ́rọ̀ rẹ̀ yẹn náà. So mo ṣe 100k sí yẹn náà àti láti appreciate it. Really tried for me too. Mo fẹ́ hide anyone from me, so that's why I said let me tell you.
That's great. To be sincere, you both deserve it. Yorùbá sọ pé mímí kẹ́ni lè ṣe kíni kẹ́ni lè ṣe ni.
Yeah, and about you, I don't really have to give you anything separately. I need to give you uncle for me. Everything I own is yours too as well. And no lero. So see, he owns me as well, so you can take any amount of money you want, use my card, do anything you want to. Okay?
You see, Cynthia.
Yes.
Yeah. Cynthia.
Yes, baby.
I want to use this opportunity to promise you that I will be the best man you've ever met in your life. So, babe, I love you very, very much from the bottom of my heart.
And I love you too.
You're Russia. You got a lot of things I want to get involved with. You're the kind of woman that I want to have my kids with. Don't tease me, baby girl. I need it, baby girl. Let's put it right there now. Girl, I want more. Girl, I want more. I need you to give it up, take it up, fill it up, get it right, get it right, get it right, get it right. I need you to give it up, take it up, fill it up, get it right, get it right, get it right, get it right. See, let me put my kids in ya. I'ma deal with ya, let me deal with ya. What would you like to know about me? I'll show you what I can do. Does it fuck you like this? Is it better than me? It don't matter what it is. I'ma give all my love to you. I need you to give it up, take it up, fill it up, get it right, get it right, get it right, get it right. I give it up, take it up, fill it up, get it right, get it right, get it right, get it right. Have you ever been with an African king? I'll give you love plus 20 other things. Photo